Okay, Hope.
Huh.
This is how to be a hero.
A hero.
Yes,
A hero. No. Wait. A hero?
Yes.
But you're not a hero.
Well, you need ambition. Ambition is key. Saz,
Yeah?
is something wrong with your gun?
No, I'm just kind of bored here. I mean, you're talking to this kid about being like a hero and everything like that. We gotta get going. This game takes like 24 hours, man. We gotta. We're on disc 1. Disc 1.
I know, but what about, you know, that one girl that you were with? What's her name? Wasn't it Vanille?
I thought it was vanilla or cinnamon something.
Something. She sounds like. Anyways.
She had like a giant fishing hook deer thingy.
I know. Listen, I think Lightning's up there waiting for you.
Oh yeah, I'm looking very much forward to that.
I know. Good luck.
Can I go?
No, I need to talk with you about how to be a hero.
But, like...
Don't worry, Sass will be fine. Right,
Yep.
Sass?
Yep, good. Totally. Awesome. Yeah.
Are you sure?
She's calling you. Sorry. Anyways, be a hero. You need ambition, and plus you need to dress the way.
Yeah.
Ooh. Did she just pop up?
Yeah, she's fucking up. I think we should go help.
Maybe.
Yes!
What's up, man?